Hi, I'm making this little secret decoder, and this is a free download from the Steve Good website. And we're having so much fun with this because I have grandchildren that are young, like a second grader and a kindergartner, and it really helps them with their letters. And what's neat is I can put a secret code in here, and it will be scrambled over here, and then I can send them the scrambled code, and they have an identical one of these secret code breakers, and then they can break the code and see the message that Grandpa is sending them. The reason I am showing you this video, though, is I want to show you a little trick that I've come up with that you may want to try. You can see here that I'm cutting out this gear pattern, and the instructions say to use 1/8 inch thick material and put 3 of them together so you make identical cuts. And I've been experimenting with different ways to attach these 3 together. It's a little difficult to put a tack there. You can tape it, and that works well, but you use an awful lot of tape. Here I put tape just on the top surface to avoid my pattern sticking to the wood. But the technique I've been using that's working really well is I take this super glue, and I'll put a little drip in every corner on one piece, and then on the piece that's going to glue to it, I put a little bit of this activator. So if you can picture this, I have a drop of super glue in every corner, an activator, and then I squeeze them together, and it works so well that you can see this little section here I'm done with. And you can see if it's an internal cut, these 3 are laminated together. The internal piece is not, so then you can cut it out and you don't have to mess with tape, you don't have to mess with nails, and you have a nice way to laminate the parts together that you really don't care about them being laminated, and then the internal part will come apart easily for you. Take care. Thank you for watching.